Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a very small Dollar Tree and Walmart haul to share with you. So let's get into it. I'm going to start at Walmart. I just picked up the a small pack of E6000. I threw mine away when I left Missouri. I had this one with the fine tip. So I might add one of these tips to one of these smaller ones. So if you're only going to do like a little bale, this would be really handy because you don't have to open this gigantic tube, which I might not even open this. I might just use this. We'll see. So I picked those two up at Walmart. I also picked up another glue gun, mainly for our glitter glues, our glue sticks. And hopefully I could put this to good use when I get my other stuff in from, you know, wherever. I also picked up the glitter white cardstock that you could put through your printer. This one has 10 sheets, and I believe this was $5. So because there's only 10, I picked up 2 packs. And I do have some already. It's over by my printer, but you'll go through so many of this already, you know, real quick. So I picked 2. So that was it for Walmart. Now I'm gonna share my Dollar Tree haul. So there's 2 Dollar Trees in my area. There's a really big one and a really small one. So 2 extreme Dollar Trees. Pick these 2 up at the smaller Dollar Tree. I don't know what these bags look like. At first I thought the bag was gonna have this, so I already see it doesn't. It's the regular pumpkin face that we always see. Oh, that's interesting. So they gave us the string, and it's only printed on one side. And oh my gosh, I'm just imagining this being used in so many ways. I'm wondering if there's more. You can always cut the bottom off and use this on a banner like that, and then just make the fishtail cut on the bottom, or you can just use it as a bag. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 bags. Just very cute. So I picked up 2. I don't think I will use that. I will probably use ribbon. And I did pick up the mini jars again from Dollar Tree. This is a different size from the one I just recently shared on Instagram. They're very tiny. So they didn't have this one. They had these, so I picked these up, and these are larger, or large enough that I can probably print out some potion labels, like small ones, on my printer out of my computer, and add that to my little mini shelf. All right, the next thing I picked up another 2 packs of the sunflowers. And so I think they're the same. They're the same. They both have 9. So I picked that up. One is going in the giveaway with our Wacky Wednesday Junk Journal Swap 2021. I'm going to add one of those to the giveaway. I did pick up these chalkboard tags. I don't know if I picked up the hearts, so I just grabbed 2. One will go in the giveaway, one will stay in my stash. This is so random because I was looking for the Halloween stickers, which I think they haven't even brought in yet. I haven't seen any since the last time I bought them. This was the only sticker pack that I picked up today because it's super cute. Look at them piggies. It says no. This one's wearing a crown. This one's saying hearts, you know, with his hand. He's doing this, whatever. I can't even do it. This one's really, really smiling big. This one's crying. And this is so cute. This one said, thank you. Thank you. These are adorable. So cute piggies. The last thing I did, these are so hard to find. This is my husband's favorite candy. So they're in the Dollar Tree. This was the only size they had. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I picked up 6 packs. Why? Because I love my husband. So that is it for Walmart and Dollar Tree, guys, for my haul. And I hope you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. I hope you subscribe and join our little family. And I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.